When we archive articles, we store them in a way that makes them inaccessible to users in their original location. However, there are times when we want to access these archived articles. In such cases, it can be helpful to display them in a monthly format through a module on our website. To set this up, we need to create a new module from the Joomla dashboard. This can be done by navigating to Site Modules and selecting New. From here, we'll select Articles Archived as the module type. We also need to choose a title for the module and select the month that we want to display. Once we've created the module, we need to assign it to a page on our site. This can be done through the Menu Assignment tab. We'll select the Archive Article page and choose a position for the module, such as the right sidebar. Finally, we'll save our changes and visit our site. We'll now see the Archive Article module displayed on the right-hand side of the page. By selecting the desired month, we can access all the archived articles for that month. In summary, by creating a module to display archived articles in a monthly format, we can make it easier to access and view important content on our website.